you catch my drift. That's Touch Me, Kathy Dennis. It is 2:45. It is Thursday afternoon. Lily here with you through until 6. And it is that time of the day.
The Corona Karaoke.
Yeah, Adam does a brilliant thing called the Corona Karaoke on his show. And if you haven't heard this, where have you been? It's a Facebook page set up by lovely Mike in Grove. Well done, Mike. It's now attracted over 20,000 members from across the globe. People can post videos of themselves singing along at home to their favourite karaoke song. What would yours be, please? And Adam's even putting together a Corona Karaoke choir with all of us singing Sweet Caroline. And don't forget, if you want to be part of that, if you think, yes, I'd like to add my soprano vocal cords to that belter, today is your last day. So submit your version of the Neil Diamond classic to bbc.co.uk/upload. Now, Adam talks to one person each day who has uploaded a video of themselves singing onto the page. Today, it is the turn of Andy. Afternoon, Andy.
Hi, how are you?
I'm exceedingly well, Andy. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Just trying to bear up, like we all are, and
Absolutely.
doing the best we can do to get through this horrible virus.
I know, and singing is a good way to do that. Whereabouts do we find you in the world, Andy?
Yeah, I'm from Drayton in Abingdon.
Oh, lovely. Nice and local.
Yeah.
That's fantastic, because we had people in Wales and all across. So lovely to have a local contribution. And what are you doing apart from singing to make lockdown a bit more bearable, Andy?
Well, really, basically, music is all I listen to anyway, so
Yeah.
I've been singing every day. I think I posted a song to the Corona Karaoke probably nearly every day, or every
Great.
couple of days. So,
Fantastic.
yeah, very busy into my music.
The thing is, I was thinking about this yesterday, Andy. Music has the power to uplift your mood. You just need the power to press play. And then, I was singing so loudly to something in the way it nearly made me cry. Music is just an amazing mood lifter, isn't it, Andy?
Yeah, it's brilliant. I belong to mental health organisations in Oxford, and it's been lovely because the last couple of days I've had a message from someone on one of the sites who absolutely loves listening to my voice. She says it's quite soothing and it's lovely, and she wants me to send her all my songs because she's getting some treatment from it, which is lovely. And music is very powerful.
It is really therapeutic. Fantastic. Well, I have listened to your voice. I concur, Andy. It is absolutely fantastic. Now, we're going to do some shout-outs afterwards, but just introduce us to this song, because I have to admit, Andy, I thought I knew my crooners, but this is a new one on me. Tell us about the song.
Yeah, it's a beautiful song, composed by Hank Cochran in 1963, and the song's called Make the World Go Away, and it's probably one of the first few songs I actually fell in love with, and I love it, and it's a beautiful song.
It is absolutely lovely. We'll come back to you afterwards, but let's just hear, your 40 seconds of fame on BBC Radio, so you can get the whole one on the Facebook karaoke page. Andy, would you like to introduce us to this song?
Certainly, yeah. This is Make the World Go Away by Hank Cochran.
Make the world go away and get it off my shoulders. Say the things you used to say and make the world, make it go away. Do you remember when you loved me? Before the world took me.
Hey, Andy! I was listening to Eddie Arnold did quite a famous cover of that, and you sound very similar. That is a stupendous voice, Andy. Many congratulations. Do keep singing to us, because as you say, it's making a big difference. Now, some shout out to some peeps who helped get that up there, Andy.
Oh, yes, please. Thank you. I'd just like to say thank you to Mike Hissey for setting up this amazing group. He's a total legend. He's a really lovely guy. And he's one of our own, really. He's from Wantage Grove, like you said. So that's nice to have someone local. I'd just like to say a big shout out to Crisis Skylight in Oxford, Restore, Laurent and Co., Oxfordshire Mind, Complex Needs. All these people are doing such an amazing job, and we're very lucky to have them. I'd like to say a great thank you to all the key workers and to all my friends on Mental Health Matters, which is on Facebook, and to anyone else that knows me.
It's a classic end. I love it. Andy, thank you for that. And thanks for doing those shout outs to those very important people. And keep up the brilliant singing. Thank you so much, Andy. Have a lovely day.
Thank you, and you. Bye-bye.
Bye, my lovely.
The Corona Karaoke.